Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Patashala. Recently, PU released 3 model paper. Today I am going to explain first model paper, MCQs and filling the blanks. Okay, in a 70 marks paper, as we all know, part A contains 15 MCQs and 5 fill in the blanks. Correct now? Here, the first paper, part A, let's start with the first question. The SI unit of electric charge is. Very easy question. SI unit of electric charge is nothing but Coulomb. Okay. So, what is Coulomb meter? The Coulomb meter is the SI unit of charge into length. In the same way, Coulomb per meter is the SI unit of charge per length. In the same way, 1 by charge, SI unit of per Coulomb is the SI unit of 1 by charge. Okay, here the correct answer for the first question is Coulomb. Let's start with the second question. The angle between the equipotential surface and electric field is. If we take any surface, equipotential surface and electric field always perpendicular to each other. For example, cylindrical surface and spherical surface, all the surfaces, equipotential surface and then electric field always perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular is nothing but 90 degree. So, the correct option is 90 degree. Okay, let's start with the third question. Here, statement based question they are asking here. First the statement, the resistivity of metals increases with increase in temperature. Consider the metal. Here, consider the temperature is increases in the metal. If we increase the temperature in the metal, conductivity is decreases. Conductivity is decreases means the resistivity is increases. As we all know, conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Conductivity is decreasing is nothing but resistivity is increases. Resistivity is increases. Obviously, resistance is also increases in that metal. Okay, here, what is the first statement? The resistivity of the metal increases with increase in temperature. See, temperature is increases, resistivity is also increases. Okay, first statement is correct. Yes. In the same way, so the second statement, the increase the temperature of the metals cause more frequent collision of electron. Temperature is increases in the metal. What will happen? The thermal speed of electrons increases. Okay, thermal speed of electron is increases, the collision of electrons is increases. All the electrons are vibrate, all the electrons are collide with very high amplitude here. Okay, here, so that's why the collision of electron is also happening in that material. So, using this statement, we can say both 1 and 2 are true and second statement is the correct explanation for the first statement. Okay, so here this is the third question. In the same fourth question, a moving coil galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting. So, how can you convert the galvanometer into the voltmeter? Here, high resistance in series with galvanometer. If we connect the high resistance in series in the galvanometer, that galvanometer converted into the voltmeter. Okay, how next? Fifth question, when a bar magnet is suspended freely, it points in the direction of. Obviously, we know the north-south direction. Option B is the right answer for this question. And sixth question, the energy stored in an inductor of inductance L in established the current is. So here energy stored in the inductor, the formula for the energy stored in the inductor E is equals to half Li square. So option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, and let's move with the seventh question. Here, current carrying wire is there. Here, apply the right hand thumb rule to the current carrying wire. The right side of the wire, the magnetic field is inwards. The left side of the wire, the magnetic field is outwards. Okay, here the current is increases. So this loop is present inside of this wire. Here, current is increases. The magnetic field is also increases inside of this loop. Here, the magnetic field is increases. Magnetic flux through the ABC is also increases. What happens if the flux increases? If flux increases, here induced EMF and induced current is produced in the coil. If the flux is changes, induced EMF and induced current is produced in the coil. By using the Lenz's law, we know that induced EMF and induced current oppose the cause. Correct? No? Here, before going to find the direction of induced current, okay, we have to decrease the magnetic field. Okay, here if we want to decrease the magnetic field, what we have to do here? If we introduce the induced magnetic field, so this induced magnetic field decrease the magnetic field, external magnetic field. Okay, here the direction of the induced magnetic field is nothing but the direction of the current here. Okay, here apply right hand thumb rule for the induced magnetic field here. Here, this is the direction of the induced magnetic field. So the anti-clockwise direction we will get here. Okay, so this is the current direction as well as the induced magnetic field direction. If current is increases, so here this is the anti-clockwise direction, induced current will. In the same way, if current I is decreases, this is the reverse, voltage will come here like this. A, B, C. Okay, let's see the options here. Along A, B, C, if I is increases, see, along A, B, C, if I is increases, along induced current is A, B, C, this is wrong. So actually it is anti-clockwise direction. First option is wrong. Next is the second option. Along A, B, C, if I is decreasing, obviously, see here, if I is increasing, I is decreasing here, along A, B, C, I is decreases, A, B, C, I is decreases means clockwise direction. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, if we take option C, along A, C, B, if I is increases, here, I is increasing this condition along A, B, C, along A, B, C. So here, along A, B, C, I is increases, obviously. So this way, option B and C both are same here. Okay, so for the seventh question, option B and C both are same. So actually, one answer should be right here. But why they are giving us two options, I don't know. But according to the theory, option B and option C are correct. Okay, here let's go with the eighth question. An ideal step-up transformer decreases. Option A, current, voltage, power, and frequency. What is the meaning of transformer? So it is used to either increase or decrease the voltage in the circuit. Correct now? Here, but it transformer never changes the frequency and power. But option C and D. So it is not the correct answer for this question. Transformer never changes the power and then frequency. And here, step-up transformer they are giving. What's the meaning of step-up transformer? Step-up transformer is used to increase the voltage from low voltage to the high voltage. Okay, here, this step-up transformer voltage, it will increase the voltage. It is not decrease the voltage. There is also not correct answer for this question. Okay, then what is decreases in this? Here the current is decreases. So correct option for this question is option E. Okay, S. In the same way, ninth question, the displacement current is due to. So obviously the displacement current is due to the change in electric field. If we change the electric field, displacement current will produces. Okay, here the flow of electron is nothing but conduction current will produces. Here, the flow of protons is nothing but convection current is produces. Okay, right answer for this question is changing electric field. Yes. Let's start with the next question. An object of finite height is placed in front of a concave mirror within its focus. Here, I am taking the concave mirror. Here, concave mirror. We know that in the concave mirror, we will get the virtual images. Okay, here we have to use the eliminate method. Okay, here real and enlarged image and real and diminished image we are given. But here concave mirror, every time it will give the virtual image. So we can neglect this option A and then option B. So we have to choose a correct answer from option C and option D here. Okay, here concave mirror is there. So this is the concave mirror. Object is placed within the focus. So this is the focus and this is the pole. Okay, here the object is placed within the focus. Wherever the image is formed, I am passing the ray from the focus 1 and I'm passing the rays through the pole. 2 rays I am passing. Here, wherever the image is formed. So image is here, behind the mirror image is formed. So here, the virtual image and the enlarged image will be. Virtual and enlarged image. Okay, here what is the answer for this question? So object of finite height is placed in front of concave mirror or within its focus, so it forms virtual and enlarged image, not diminished image. Okay, yes. So next question is, a beam of unpolarized light of intensity I0 is passed through a pair of polarites with their path axis inclined at an angle of theta. The intensity of emergent light is equals to. So, intensity of emergent light is equals to I0 cos square theta. Option A is the right answer for this question. Okay, and yes, the next question here, the emission of electrons from a metal surface by heating it's called. Okay, so electrons are emitting. So when we heat the metal surface, electrons are emitting means, so this is nothing but thermionic emission. Okay, this is nothing but thermionic emission. Yes, here the next question, when alpha particles are passed through a thin gold foil, most of them go undeviated. Okay, so this is the analytical based questions. Option for this question is, most of the reason in an atom is empty space. So that's why, so all the alpha particles are passed through a thin gold foil, they are undeviated. Okay. Yes, here the next question, nuclei with the same atomic number are called. Here, nuclei with the same atomic number is nothing but Z. So Z is same. Atomic number is same, is nothing but isotopes. Okay, here atomic mass number is nothing but A. Atomic mass number is same, is nothing but this is the isobars. In the same way, neutrons. So here is nothing but it is same, is nothing but is the isomers. Okay, so option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so next 15th question, 2 columns they are giving. Here conductor, insulator and then semiconductor. We have to match the current energy gap for the conductor, insulator and then semiconductor. Okay, here as we all know, energy gap in conductor is 0. Okay, so this is the conductor, the energy gap for the conductor is 0, Eg is equals to 0 electron volt. Okay, yes. Next here, the insulator. So insulator, as we all know, energy gap is insulator is greater than 3 electron. This is greater than 3 electron volt. Okay, yes. In a semiconductor, what is semiconductor? So in between the conductor and then insulator, if we get that metal means that is considering as a semiconductor. Okay, that semiconductor energy gap is nothing but is less than 3 electron volt. Okay, so what is the matching? 1B and 2C. 1B, 2C, 3A. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, yes. So this is all about the MCQs of this paper, and the next move with the fill in the blanks of this paper. Okay, here the 5 fill in the blanks are there, and then answers also they are giving here. 6 answers they are giving here. We have to choose the correct answer for particular question. Here, a molecule possessing a permanent dipole moment is called. We know molecule means 2 types of molecules we can identify here. One is the polar molecule and the non-polar molecule. Here, which molecule having the permanent dipole moment means that is the polar molecules. Okay, so answer for this question is polar. Okay, yes, next here, the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. Is 0. So here answer is this 0. Yes. Here next here, the rotating vector used to represent the alternating quantities is called phasor. Phasor. Here is phasor. Okay. Here next here, a wavefront is a surface of constant. Which is the constant in the wavefront? Phase is the constant. Phase is the constant. Okay, here in interaction with the matter, light behaves as if it is made up of packet of energy. Is called. So what is the meaning of packet of energy? Packet of energy is nothing but photon. So the answer here is the photon. So answer for this question is photon. Okay, so this is all about MCQs and fill in the blanks of first model paper. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you feel this video is very helpful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.